What's going on, Mr. Dave? We're up here in at Lions and Tigers and Bears facility where we did this killer bobcat exhibit water feature with 3 ponds and a stream and everything. And I don't know if you remember, if you guys have looked at the videos, this is all dirt, and they have since run it with sod, run into the whole area and applied sod and made everything just so amazing. The bobcats have these really cool little houses they can hang out in, and kind of looks like a frontier town. And there's the stream we added. We didn't quite get the flow through the pipe, which I was kind of assuming might be the case. And so we just threw that in. It was pretty easy, really. Just lay the liner down and then build up the cement around the perimeter. Some of the stones are laying right on the liner itself. And you have these places where you can see I just brought the cement up, and then the crack, this thing settled a little bit, pulls away, but it's okay because the liner's in there and nothing's gonna leak. So, and rocks crack, right? It's a crack there. So cracked rocks are not a catastrophe. That's actually part of their morphology, I think is the word. And so I'm just so proud how this thing came out. It was much bigger than I had initially planned, but that's kind of one of the things. It's good and bad. I end up making projects that people are really happy with. They really feel like they got a good value for their investment, and so profit margins aren't as good, but you know, that's okay, you know. I did okay, but anyway, this thing has just been majorly transformed. I just am really happy with how it came out. This is sort of the spring rock where water wells up and feeds these 2 big ponds, and then they overflow on that little stream over there and feeds the base pond, and that's where the skimmer is, and that gets all the leaves picked up, and you just change that out over, you know, the course of the projects, over the course of running it, I guess you would say. Here's our spring rock. We got a piece of rock over it, over the PVC, so it doesn't bubble in too much. It just has a nice smooth flow. We like our flow to be smooth, man. And here's the wonderful, just love the sound of water. Just can't get enough of that stuff. They planted it out with all these wonderful shrubs. They put sod around the whole outside areas. I'm telling you though, this is going to be bobcat paradise. Apple trees right here. Little guys getting ready to produce the fruit all the way to maturity. If you recall the other videos, this rock is fake. The front half that extends, we added that, so it's sort of like I call it the Lion King rock. Yeah, can't even talk. And so the bobcats will get up there and perch right there, and the guests will be able to see them better. And I think this rock is the fill pipe. So I like to try to hide things a little bit if we can. So sorry for the little momentary departure from my ramblings. So anyways, yeah, that's real in here and fake there. So that's really heavy, and that looks like it would tip over, but it is hollow inside. And we have the whole video that talks about how we did that, how we built that. Here's all the real thing, you know. Love all the stuff they got going on here. Just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Little places for the little bobcats to hang out and hide. And so they have just cherried this exhibit space out maximum. So this is just a kind of an update video, and really showing how it's nice when clients and stuff have the budgets to flush the whole area out really nice and get it done the way it should be done. You can tell the rock faces we built up past the liner up to here. Over time they'll add this little natural phenomenon will grow and start to handle, sort of occupy this space as well. It's got a decent dark color, and so it sort of blends in pretty good. But when you get those wet, and when you get that wet, it changes and looks even better. Again, I love all the plantings. I don't know all the species names, but yeah, that'd be something, maybe one I could learn. But I'm just a rock guy. So here's the skimmer. I changed out the pump. Got a better pump, a little more long lasting and stuff. So we've got our chlorinator and our power, and all the pipes from there in are not glued, so they are able to be pulled right off. So there's our stream and the spring rock up there in the back, and oh man, I can't wait to build one of these in my house. All the rocks around the perimeter are artificial except for a couple that well, all of them I guess you would say are artificial, but I blended them into and onto the real rocks. You can kind of see there's a little demarcation line right there. That's a real rock. That's the faux that I built up, and I painted it to match. But all the rest are just faux rocked. These guys are faux up about, let's see if I can get my finger in the right place, about half the top of the rock. That one I think is all fake rock. You know, it's pretty good. I can't tell which is which. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys the latest update on the Lions and Tigers and Bear Bobcat exhibit project, which is just looking so fun and so cool. So I guess in a few weeks they're going to have 5 bobcats in here, and they need to make sure they get all the animals in that are going to be in here at the same time, I guess, so they can establish their territories, however the animals do that. That's what Bobby Brink, the owner and manager and director of this whole facility, was telling me. So if you ever get a chance coming up to Lions and Tigers and Bears up here in Alpine, California, you can just Google that, and they have tours. It's a donation facility. It's just runs by donations, so I don't know exactly how all what the fee structure is. You can find that out at their website, I'm sure. But a beautiful, beautiful place. They got almost 100 acres, and they developed this section right here, many acres, with bears and lions and tigers and other animals. And they also will be doing catered weddings and special events here, and they're just cheering it out, man, making it just cool. So anyways, Lions, Tigers, and Bears up here in Alpine, California. You got to get up here and check it out. If you're at all in Southern California and you get a chance to cruise around, and can come up here in East County off the 8. Super easy to get here. So also my work is at davehenderson.podia.com for how-tos on how we do this sort of thing. You can check that out. Free stuff you can download, videos to watch, and some for sale courses if you really want to dig into this stuff. But the free stuff's pretty good too. It really gives you some good content. And www.daverhenderson.com for my ramblings and babblings on life and how to make rocks and swimming pools and other interesting things that have to do with my trade, and links to other platforms like YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe if you have not already. And you can check into those other websites and give me your email, and then I can keep you updated on things that are coming up, new courses and that sort of thing. So anyways, last but not least, remember to be forgiving and thankful. Forgiving and thankful, the key to a happy life. And we like happy lives because it's more fun being happy. So make sure you tell someone you love them, say thank you, be kind to one another out there. Get the mask off, show people your smile as often as you can. Don't be afraid. Bible says 365 times, fear not or be not afraid, and that sort of thing. So don't worry, God's got our back. Get to know Jesus, and he can take you home and find that joy that's hard to describe. So be thankful and forgiving. Those are the keys. All right, so have a good day. God bless you guys, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless you. Bye.